Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss vocabulary and we are going to see 5 words, its meaning, its sentences. So if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you enjoy this content. And we have contents on vocabulary from 1 to 20 in the previous video. You can check it out from the playlist. Also, we have NIOS content, English, Maths and Computer Science. Let's begin. So the first word that we are going to see for this video is wallow. It means to indulge in something with great enjoyment or self-pity. Usually it can mean to roll around in mud or water as buffaloes do. So the sentence with this word would be, after the breakup, she chose to wallow in self-pity instead of moving on with her life. So this first meaning is used for wallow here. She chose to wallow in self-pity instead of moving on with her life. So that's what the sentence is. Let's move on to the second word. Make a bad situation or feeling or any problem worse. Okay, so make something worse, that is known as exacerbate. Sentence we can say, these rude comments only serve to exacerbate the tensions between them. Okay, let's move on to the next word, that is catalyst. So the word catalyst means something that causes a change or an event to happen more quickly. Okay, this supports in a more quick events or reactions. So sentence with that word would be, the protest served as a catalyst for political reform in the region. So that is what catalyst. It is used in chemistry. In chemistry, this term is used usually with reactions. Next word is professing. It means to claim or declare something, often publicly or falsely. A sentence with this word would be, she kept professing her innocence despite the growing evidence against her. So the word is professing here. Now next word is snotty. It means a rude, arrogant or snobbish in attitude or behavior, which informally means somebody with a runny nose, that too described for a child. Sentence would be, she gave a snotty reply when asked to help, as if the task was beneath her. Okay, so it's a rude attitude that is being shown. So next one would be runny nose, meaning the toddler was tired and snotty after playing outside in the cold. So two meanings are there. One is being rude, arrogant, and another one is referring to the runny nose. It is usually used informally. So hope this video was useful to you. You came to learn 5 new words, its meaning and the sentence. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, share this with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.